उड़ू ऊंचा।
Hello children, in this video we are going to learn the sound of the letter Z. Say it with me. Z, 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 z. Hear these words very carefully. Dozen, dozen, lazy, lazy, pizza, pizza, fizzy, fizzy, drizzle, drizzle. Can you hear the z sound in the middle of these words? Dozen, dozen. A group of 12 is called a dozen, like 12 roses or a dozen roses, 12 eggs or a dozen eggs. What about 12 bananas? Yes, a dozen bananas. Fizzy, fizzy. These drinks are fizzy. Drinks have a lot of bubbles are called fizzy drinks. Have you ever tried a fizzy drink? Fizzy. Lazy, lazy. People and animals can be lazy. You feel lazy when you are tired, sleepy, or hungry. When you don't have energy, when you don't feel like doing anything. Pizza, pizza. There are so many different kinds of pizzas. Vegetable pizza, cheese pizza, and chicken and cheese pizza. Which one is your favorite? Pizza, pizza. Drizzle, drizzle. Drizzle can be anything dropping very slowly, like the drizzle of rain, a drizzle of honey on a toast, or a drizzle of tomato ketchup on the fries. Yummy! Drizzle, drizzle. Now let's hear the words one more time. Lazy, pizza, drizzle, dozen, fizzy. Notice the z sound in the middle of these words. Now it's your turn. Show me a thumbs up if you hear a z sound in the middle of the words. Cozy, cozy. Dozen, dozen. Bottle, bottle. Frame, frame. Frizzy, frizzy. Which words has a z sound in the middle? Cozy? Yes, cozy has a z sound in the middle. What about dozen? Remember, dozen is 12? Yes, dozen. I can see a thumbs up there. Bottle? No, bottle doesn't have a z sound. Frame? No. What about frizzy? Yes, show me a thumbs up. Frizzy has a z sound in the middle. You did a great job. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Like, share and subscribe.